Here I have a set of fake names and data. I wish to capture more info through a data entry form. So I will first convert the data into table. So select your data first and then press Ctrl P. My table has headers, so I'll set OK. Now under your quick access toolbar, just drop this down, select more commands, and instead of popular commands, we'll select all commands and look for forms. So here you'll find form, add, hit OK. Now you'll see it under this. Click on this form button and see you have it here. So you can find next, you can just go through your data, and for making a new entry, click on this and you can add a new entry. And enter. And see, we have the entry here. And you can even edit the previous entry by using this button, or you can altogether delete some of the entries. Okay. Thank you.